Many presenters would like to control their PowerPoint presentation running on a Windows PC from their smartphone. Unfortunately, Microsoft discontinued its remote control apps for both iPhone and Android. Existing third-party solutions often require you to install two separate apps, one on your smartphone and another on your PC, which can involve a sometimes cumbersome pairing process between the two. Luckily, there is now a way to use only one very simple app running on your PC alongside PowerPoint and control your presentation from any smartphone's web browser. Here's how. First, install the ExtraPPT Remote app from the Microsoft Store on your Windows PC. It offers a free trial with no subscriptions or hidden fees, ads, or data collection. Second, ensure that both your PC and smartphone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. No internet connection is required, just a local Wi-Fi network. Now, point your smartphone's camera at a QR code displayed in the app, then open the URL in your browser. And this is it. No other configuration required. Open any PowerPoint presentation, and you can control it from your smartphone. You can see previews of the current and upcoming slides, read and scroll through speaker notes, and navigate the presentation as needed. There's an additional very useful feature for making your presentations even more engaging, an embedded soundboard. You can use it without losing your place in the slide navigation. You can add and utilize your own custom sound effects, like this one. The app also includes several pre-recorded audio jingles for common scenarios, as well as short musical phrases to give your presentations a truly professional feel.